It's about that time to have ourselves a taste and experience. And right now we're going to be doing sparkling ice caffeine. And this is their citrus twist. Let's see, zero sugar, 70 milligrams of caffeine is good for you. And it's only 5 calories if you're trying to count those numbers. And this is a 16-ounce can and non-alcoholic. And I'm not gonna lie, that when I opened it and it went over here, I could literally smell like 7 Up. I could smell the 7 Upness of it. Also, it looks like Mountain Dew. So let's just see what we work with. It literally smells like Mountain Dew and 7 Up with a touch of Sprite, if that makes sense. So if we had to not go with a name brand, we can basically break this down into 3 different things: lemon lime orange, or lemon lime pineapple, or let's see, what else could we do? Let me see. Lemon lime kiwi. So you kind of get tropical after lemon lime. So you guys can put whatever you want tropical on the back end of that. Matter of fact, I could even say lemon lime honeydew. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you guys can see where we're going with this. So let's just taste her down. I'm gonna go with kiwi honeydew. That's the flavor profile I'm getting. The fragrance is lemon lime and anything that you can think of. Um, and then flavor wise, I'm getting lemon lime orange and the same combinations that I was just saying in aromatics. But as it's sitting here, we're working it. I'm gonna go with honeydew kiwi. It's tropical. I like it. Now that's just my opinion. That's not, if you can look at the packaging, that's not what they were going for. But everything is subjective if it's just an opinion, right? And for me, my palate is telling me that we do have lemon lime orange, or lemon lime pineapple, lemon lime kiwi, lemon lime honeydew. And then once you get those programmed in your head and you taste it, anything that it's very tropical and refreshing. So your brain's going to probably pull out something like what I did, kiwi, honeydew. That's not what it is, but I'm experiencing something tropical, real nice. It's chill. This is a very subtle situation. So if you don't want something over the top, but you need something tropical, you need that citrus with you, and you need something to pick you up, then this would be it. I really, really do like sparkling ice. At first, I didn't like them. And then one day I had some in the house and it was a really good flavor. And I said, well, let me give them a chance. And ever since then, I haven't looked back, and I've tried to get my hands on everything they've ever put out. And I'm glad that they were doing a caffeine series. And these are something I will be looking for at the local corner store when I just need to grab me an energy drink. I like the way these taste. And this one is a really good one. And until next time, guys, thanks for hanging out. Cheers.